Government has cancelled the process of strategic disinvestment of Pawan Hans, disqualifying a 211 crore rupees bid by a consortium of Star9 Mobility and Almas Global Opportunity Fund. Star9 Mobility faces a probe by the NCLT. Business Today TV's Karishma Asoodani joins us with more on this news.
Well, this was much expected. In fact, Business Today Television also reported this about 2 weeks back, that government plans to shun its plans on disinvestment of Pawan Hans. And I must tell you, this is the fourth attempt that they had made to sell their stake in order to get about 200 crores. But because of legal hurdles, consortium of Star Mobility Limited had to be cancelled, and government, in fact, the alternative mechanism that's led by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman along with Road and Infrastructure Minister Nitin Gadkari, decided to scrap the sale for now. It's unlikely if Pawan Hans will again go for disinvestment.
Thanks a lot, Karishma, for all of that update as well.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.